I'm going to show you right now how we took a brand new business to consistently do over $100 a day, and now within a few days doing over $200 a day. Step one, find some hobbies that you can sell into. You can literally pick any one of these. I'm going to show you how to validate it right now. For this example, let's do bread making. Head over to Google and just type in Google Trends and click the first link. Put the hobby that you just listed there and click enter. From here, we can see the interest people are having with this specific product, and we can see right now it's actually at an all-time high. Next, head over to Amazon and just type in bread making again. We can see that there's a ton of information products like books and stuff people are buying, as well as a ton of physical products people are buying related to bread making. Now, the reason we're looking at Amazon is because we want to sell stuff people are already telling us that they're buying. So to find some information products that you can sell in this niche, just go to Google and type in bread making PLI. You can now license the rights to all of these products and resell them as your own. For example, this product is $2.99 for you to license the rights to. It's 28 pages and it has a ton of information on how to bake bread. If you have any questions, drop me a comment.